cycle. Olha merda, que é? Olha que é cycle. Hã? Olha que é? Oh, não.
This world never ceases to amaze us, but sometimes nature can be more terrifying than ever. Raging storms wipe out everything in their path. Massive tsunamis swallow entire cities, volcanic eruptions set the sky ablaze, and monstrous tornadoes tear through the land with unstoppable force. These shocking moments captured on camera will send chills down your spine. Witness the raw power and destruction of nature's most devastating disasters, events no one could have predicted. Buckle up because you're about to experience the 75 most horrific natural disasters ever caught on camera. Hit like, share, and subscribe to Zone Max so you don't miss out on more jaw-dropping moments.
Look at that! Oh,
Oh my God.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get Whoa! Back it up!
Back it up.
तो क्या खतरनाक आ रहा है ये
अरे जल्दी आ
ओ भाई साहब ऊपर तो
Absolutely terrifying. The moment a massive rock slide crashes down the lakeshore leaves everyone in stunned silence, as if nature itself is roaring in fury. A raging flood surges forward with unstoppable force, sweeping away everything in its path. Even a solidly built bridge stands no chance against the relentless power of the water. The once sturdy concrete roads traveled daily without a second thought are now torn apart like fragile paper. These raw, unfiltered clips are not just shocking, but a chilling reminder of nature's unforgiving wrath when it unleashes its fury. How incredibly lucky. A mother and her child escaped death by mere inches. Just moments after their narrow escape, the ground trembled violently as a massive landslide struck India. Tons of earth and rock came crashing down, swallowing roads and homes in an instant. The sheer force of nature left witnesses in shock, a chilling reminder of how unpredictable and unforgiving the world can be.
Güey, chingas a tu madre. Güey.
The driver was incredibly lucky to steer the vehicle into a shelter just seconds before the devastating landslide struck.
In Puerto Rico, the floodwaters ripped the bridge from its foundation, leaving construction workers in shock as they watched nature's unstoppable force.
All of these terrifying moments have been captured with such raw authenticity that anyone who witnesses them can't help but shudder. These are not just mere images. They are the clearest evidence of nature's destructive power, something that humanity can never truly control. The terrifying moments were captured by CCTV in Nepal as the ground shook violently, causing everything around to sway uncontrollably.
Oh, she's going. Oh.
Oh my god, baby, the bloody lawn and body
कौन सा गाड़ी भी ले लो पीछे ओ
These breathtakingly realistic footage immerse viewers in the raw fury of nature. Each violent tremor feels almost tangible. Raging floodwaters mercilessly sweep away everything in their path, and massive cliffs collapse in an instant, creating a haunting spectacle of destruction.
Just a second.
These are not just rare moments, but priceless footage capturing the unstoppable destructive force of nature, leaving anyone who witnesses them in absolute awe and disbelief. The whole family escaped in the nick of time, just moments before everything came crashing down.
भाई शिक्षे सारे गए खत्म 07
داداش برو تا میتونی برو داداش برو بچه ها ساکت آروم باشین ریزشه بچه ها برو داداش این جاده رو میگیره
Oh my God!
The raw footage captures the horrifying moment when nature unleashes its fury in Bangladesh. It begins with the sight of a raging flood, violently sweeping through a mountainous area, destroying everything in its path. Just seconds later, a once sturdy rooftop is carried away like a mere piece of paper amid the wrath of the raging waters, an undeniable testament to nature's devastating power. Then, an entire house slowly succumbs to the flood, with only its rooftop remaining visible above the relentless currents, a scene beyond imagination. Finally, the ground cracks open and walls begin to crumble, signaling the complete collapse following the catastrophic disaster. Every moment is captured with shocking realism, leaving anyone who witnesses it in awe and fear of nature's unstoppable force in Bangladesh.
Oh putain. Oh putain.
يا لطيف. قدر قدر قدر.
These recordings are not just rare footage. They are vivid evidence of nature's unimaginable fury. Each frame captures the sheer fragility of humanity when faced with the relentless power of the earth. Witnessing these scenes, one cannot help but shudder at the devastating destruction, where solid structures are swept away in an instant, and vast landscapes are reduced to nothing but ruins. This is more than just footage. It is a haunting reminder of nature's unstoppable force.
Creating a fierce and life-threatening scene.
Nein, komm nicht. Simon, komm nicht. Nur noch ein Staub.
Op die jongeren wil vliegen.
Mach nicht. Da die Hure dort. Das Fischerröte lass ich. Komm her, mach nicht. Komm, stand dafür. Jetzt fetzt.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
The moments you've just witnessed are only a glimpse of the countless awe-inspiring natural phenomena that remain unseen by many. Nature holds unimaginable power, and when it unleashes its fury, all we can do is watch in sheer astonishment. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit like to show your support, subscribe to never miss the most breathtaking footage, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. What topic would you like us to cover next? Drop a comment below. Your suggestion might just be featured in our next video.